Alright everyone, welcome to today's charting session. I hope you had a nice weekend, nakapag-relax kayo, you got to spend time with your family or loved ones, and you've come back to the market refreshed. Sa mga hindi pa po nakakaalam, what we do here is we take a look at yung mga trending names and we get that list from Instagrams. You usually find that list on the right hand side of your screen, or we take chart requests, or we do a combination of both, and today's no different. We'll be doing a combination of chart requests and trending names, no? Today, we'll start off with IMI. Okay? So, IMI, last week, ang nangyayari was we were able to break above itong cluster of highs, range highs here, no? Pero, medyo nakasabit pa rin siya. Itong may konting consolidation dito. Doon din tayo nauntog. And today, what happened was we tried to push higher. Once again, hindi kinaya. We broke down below and we're holding beneath itong level natin na to. So what we don't want to see here if we're bullish IMI is our price to push back, then reject, then form a new low. Pag ganon, the likelihood increases na babalikan natin tong 7.9 or maybe even the white zone here below, no? Kasi dapat, ito yung nag-reverse siya ng konti. Technically speaking, pwede pa siyang maging pullback eh. We did come back into this area of consolidation here. But we want to see a quick reaction and ma-retake tong level na to. Ma-break agad tong high na to at 9.10 para mabuhay ulit yung idea na it could possibly go back to around 9.85 na area. Kung nag-shift tayo to the downside, na yun nga, tinry natin umakit, mauntog, mag-form ng new low, then in the short term at least, baka naghahanap pa siya ng deeper pullback. So the trade idea or the bullishness na hinahabol in the short term will no longer be valid, at least for me. Okay, that's not to say na kunyari, umangat, nauntog, bumaba, ganito, nag-bounce, hindi siya gaganyan na. It's just that the structure won't be as nice na as it currently is or as it was nung nandito yung price. Okay, again, the pullback, it's not ideal. Ang bilis no? But as long as pwede tayo mag-hold sa area ng consolidation na to, then pwede pa rin siyang tumuloy kasi we can still print the low, high, higher low, higher high, etc. Okay? Next, let's take a quick look at AGI, no? So, AGI, what happened today was we tried to break above itong level natin sa 10.78. Okay? So, bakit nandyan yung level? Bakit di ko nilagay dito? Kasi, for me, dito tayo nauuntog eh, 'di ba? Dito we tried to trade above it pero sobrang brief lang, parang tinatry niya lumaban but it kept getting pushed down. So I didn't wanna raise my level muna until price could trade convincingly above it. And today what happened was yun na naman yung nag-act as resistance. Okay? So for me, if price can break out here, ito yung mga minor resistances. Pero para masabi ko talaga na all-out bullish na, I wanna see a break above 11.5. Kasi just a break above 10.78, for me, what it does is it opens up this range to possibly trade in. It's not the greatest range in the sense na yun nga, alam natin na may dalawang minor resistance level dito, tong double top that pwedeng puntahan ng price tas dun mauntog, no? So, yun yung tinitingnan ko dito sa AGI. So if you're bullish, again, break above 10.78 is good because it opens up a new trading range. But for me, pinaka-bullish talaga if we can break above 11.5 and start pushing from there. Para lang malinis, 52-week high. Oops, sorry. Malinis, 52-week high. No issues, no? Tapos we have a clean canvas to work with. Ang ayaw nating makita right now is for price to come back and take out this low here or this low there. Okay? Essentially, if we start trading below 10 to 9.8, medyo tagilid na tayo. Bakit? Kasi, ito, yung trading range natin ngayon. Diba? I think wala naman tayong argument dyan. Ito, and ito, technically, pwede nating sabihin na nag-overshoot lang yung price sa higher end or sa lower end ng range. So, what we don't want to see is ma-take out yun and we start trading. Kunyari, ma-take out tong 10.12 and we start trading beneath it, then baka mag-confirm na ito na yung trading range or worse, itong mas malaki dito. 'Di ba? But a trade below ito, 9.8, definitely confirms that. It definitely means na Okay, medyo tagilid na tayo, pumangit na talaga. So, baka bumalik tayo etong sa wider range na to. Okay, so gugulo na naman. Right now, price is trying to push higher, 'di ba? Price is compressing, tightening, 'di ba? Nagko-conso siya, but again, wala pang definite na nangyayari, wala pang definite na okay, tumuloy na dito sa side na to and we're gonna go towards that direction. All right? Next, let's take a quick look at Converge, no? So, Converge, ang sabi natin before was price could come back and tag itong white zone natin. It did here where we bounced. Then, after natin mag-bounce, ang nangyari, itong area of lows na to, diba? Itong cluster of lows, siya yung nag-act as resistance. Doon nauntog yung price. Then, we just pushed lower and broke below tong white zone. So, ang sabi natin before, what happens now is possibly, if price comes back, mag-hold tong white zone na to, then baka mag-open up na tong trading range na to and baka dyan muna tayo pang samantala. Or, kung talagang magpatuloy yung bearishness, mabasag natin tong 26.3, we might come back and fill this unfilled gap here. Okay? Malayo-layo pa yon, and if that does happen, medyo very bearish na tignan yung chart, no? Bearish in the sense na yung trend niya obviously sira na. Actually, ngayon pa lang naman, medyo nasira na yung trend, diba? But, doing that, talagang parang, kumbaga, sira na, sinunog pa, tinapakan pa, binuhusan pa ng asin, gano'n. Okay, so wag naman sana. But, yun yung direction that price is going at, eh. Okay? So, while it's possible na ito, overreaction lang, baka bukas bawiin kagad, then we start trading above 32.3, tas ito yung magiging bago nating trading range again. But, for now, it's looking like it's heading lower. Diba? Baka matag natin tong 26.3 or below. Okay? So, guys, I just like to take this time na paalala lang ulit that if you like this video, if you find it educational, or if you find it helpful, or if you find it even mildly entertaining, no, I would really appreciate it if you give this video a like and consider subscribing to my channel. It's one of the few ways kasi for me to know kung talaga bang nakakatulong tong content na ginagawa natin para sa inyo. Because I love to teach, but I also want to be able to help everyone out. Okay? That's that. Moving on. Let's take a look at MAC. So, MAC, last week, we pushed higher, no? Tuloy-tuloy siya dito hanggang umabot tayo sa level of resistance na to. Bakit yung level of resistance? Kasi it was a zone na both support and resistance once were. So, resist here, support here, resist here, and so on, no? Resist here, support here, and so on. So, it's a pretty decent area na pwede nating asahan that price could possibly react from if it ever got there. And it did. We tagged it, price rejected, price tagged it again. We tried to move higher, ayaw, tas ngayon we're pushing lower. So, where could price possibly be headed right now dito sa MAC? Well, syempre, yung ayaw nating lahat makita is for it to push down and eat this move up. Okay? Hindi naman to yung move na talagang lahat green lang, no? May konting konso naman dito. So, maaari na around here makahanap tayo ng support for MAC. Gagamitin niya yan as base to possibly push higher. Diba? Targeting 5.62 again. Then 6.3 if ma-break. Okay? The other possibility is baka naghahanap lang siya ng bagong range that it could consolidate within. And if it does, again, break out from there. Possibly target 6.3 moving forward. But, yung ayaw natin makita is talagang mag-tumble down lang yung price. Kainin niya tong move na to. Kasi even if that means na it comes back here to this area of consolidation here, baka hindi na magpatuloy yung quote-unquote trend. Yeah. Obviously, wala pang trend to. This was just a reaction. Price moved higher. Is it bullish? Of course, in the short term, very short term, it was bullish. But if we come all the way back here, yes, we could play for a bounce. Yeah, balik tayo around this area. That possibility exists. Pero yung structure mismo na hinahanap natin, baka mas matagal pang umayos. Baka mas matagal pang mag-recover. Kung mangyari yan. And syempre, yung pinakaya natin mangyari is mabawi itong entire move na to and we break below 4.15. If we break below 4.15, then medyo GG na. It opens up this range down below. Then if we break below that, then we probably go much lower pa. Okay, possibly targeting these lows right there. Okay. And then finally, let's take a quick look at GMA7. So GMA7, nauntog tayo dito, nag-resist siya. We came back, 'di ba? We came back, tried to push for higher, didn't go quite as high. Then nag-roll over and bumalik nga tayo dito sa white zone na pinag-uusapan natin before that price could possibly come back to. Unfortunately, if you were looking for a potential bounce play kapag balik dito, humirap, no? Just because nag-iba yung structure. Kasi ngayon, etong area na to, tong 14.88, nag-act na siya as, again, both resistance and support along the way. So, if maghahanap tayo ng bounce dito, maaari na, yes, magbabounce nga, mag-react, pero baka dyan din lang tayo mauntog sa 14.88. What I wanna see now, if you're bullish ng GMA7, is your price to come back here. Okay, bawiin niya agad to, mag-react ng malakas tong level na to. Maybe consolidate here a bit, but even then what that for me shows is baka mag-range lang muna tayo dito for a while. Baka may hinihintay siya. Baka hinihintay niya na mas maging malapit tayo sa election. Baka hinihintay niya muna matapos yung Q4 kasi ang laki na rin ng tinaas niya. I don't know. But the fact of the matter remains na if we do get that reaction, price comes back, then baka ito muna yung maging trading range natin. For bullishness na pansasabi talaga natin na, uy, okay, malakas, tumuloy. Then we want to see a break above 16.66 highs and see if it can push higher from there na hindi fake out lang. Possible kasi na mag-break, tas next candle, bawiin lang kagad, untog dito, then babalik na naman tayo sa range na to. Okay, so that's something to watch out for. Right now, if this white zone breaks, then we're looking for price to possibly tag around 12 to 13, 13, no? Itong area na to, 13 to 12.6 na area. If that doesn't hold, then yung next white zone na yung tinitignan natin sa baba na pwedeng matag ng price. Alright? So guys, that's it for today's daily charting session, no? I hope you liked the video. And as always, maraming salamat po sa panonood. I really appreciate it. Good luck and happy trading!